When it comes to comfort food, nothing is better for me than a beautiful, humble fish pie. And I want to show you today how to make one using Latchet, a beautiful fish from the Ferguson team. So the key with making a good fish pie is not overcooking the fish. So we're going to get everything else ready to go and the fish is going to go in right at the last minute. So I'm going to start here with a good fish friend, fennel and leek, pop it into a pan, sweat it down. Great, our vegetables are soft now, so in goes butter, garlic and thyme. As soon as that garlic goes translucent, it starts to smell really good. We can go in some flour, which is just gonna help thicken our base. Then in with a splash of your favorite white wine. And once that comes to the boil, some stock and milk. Once our base is thickened up, we're gonna go in with the raw fish itself, a splash of cream, and just to freshen things up, some lemon zest and parsley. Now remember, we're trying to cook the fish in the oven, not in the pot. So I've taken it off the heat, dice it up, stir it in. Pop it into an oven-proof dish, and then top it with mashed potato, or you can use pastry as well, and into a hot oven. As soon as that potato gets a bit of golden on top, you know that fish is gonna be cooked, and we're ready to serve.